Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now we have to enter the developer options, and if you do not have the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them in the HUAWEI devices, so I highly recommend to check it and then come back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on, so let's pretend that it was turned off. So in order to activate it, just tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't have to manually update your device, however, remember about restarting it from time to time. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.